Hello guys, welcome back to benzblogs DXB. So this time guys, we're going to talk about hard starting for the electronic engine. So what do you mean by hard starting? What do you think is the problem? What is the root causes of the problem, which is why it's difficult to start for the first time? So let's see and take a look for that. Hello guys, now I'm here in the 2806 engine. This is electronic engines by Perkins. So I'm gonna show you why it is not starting. It is only cranking. What is the problem? So let's check it. Okay. And now I will try to start the engine, so you can see how it is cranking. Now as you can see, only the engine is only cranking. So first thing you have to think, why it's not running. The battery is connected, the fuel is connected, and there is a power supply with the modules. So you can see, I'm going to check the battery is good. It's 24 volts. So what we're going to do, so for me, I'm going to use what we call the multi-tester, so we can find it if the battery is good or not. So by doing the test it through the multimeter. Okay, I'm using the fluke. So wait for a while. I'm going to take it. So here I have the fluke multimeter. So we're going to test it if the battery is good or not. And also make it sure all the connection is correct, all the connection is good, and the power supply is reaching to the module and everything. You have to check one by one. So in order to find what is the problem exactly of the generator. Okay, focus to me. So guys, we are going to check the battery if it is okay or not. So you see. Now as you can see, there is 24 volts, right? So meaning our battery is correct. So it is normal. So let's see. We go there in the panel. Let's check why it is not starting. First thing, if the generator is not cranking, you have to check also the relay. What is it called? This one is the fuel relay, and give what we call the fuel for the fuel signaling. Okay, let's try to crank. If it is working, you focus. If the fuel relay will activate, meaning it is okay. So as you can see, still not running. So let's go back to the back to the engine. We will check the relay box. As you can see, we have a relay box because this is what we call electronic engine. So this relay box is the one who giving you access to the ECM. Why? Because if in the maintenance, no need to bring laptop every day to check the ECM. So this one you can access. For example, you are going to change the RPM of the engine, so all the relay switches is sending out from here, so you can access. So now I'm going to check if there is a supply coming from this side. At this point there is a supply, so as you can see there is a supply. So why still now not running? So in here we're checking also if there is some supply, so we have to search negative. So this time this one is negative, so there is. So now as you can see we have only 10 volts while here is 24 volts. So I think this is the problem. We will check now if the fuse is okay or busted. So this is busted, so we're going to replace it. So now we replaced already the fuse, so we're going to check it back having a voltage. So now we have 24 volts and down below supposed to be we have, so now it's okay, we have a supply. So you have to check also the correct way if there is a supply with the ACM. So in here you can check it, the negative, there is 3, 5, so that is negative, and we have the also 313, that is means the positive. So I'm going to check it here if there is some supply. So I need to change this one. So since this one is positive, so I'm going to check it from here if there is some voltage. There is some voltage. So there is some voltage, so meaning our ECM is working. Okay, let's go to the module and start it. So now guys, we're going to start if only the fuse is the problem. So as you can see, we found out the problem, the fuse is busted.